Good morning, students. Yesterday we were studying about the lesson. The name of our lesson is words. You know it very well. We have started with English grammar. We completed alphabet lesson. After that we completed alphabetic order. After that we completed the vowels and the consonants. And yesterday we started with new lesson. The name of our lesson is words. I told you what are words. Words means what? Letters which are put together to form a word. Correct? There are various letters which we put together that forms what? That forms word. Yesterday I explained you definition, some examples also. We took 2-letter words, 3-letter words, then 5-letter words, 6-letter words. After completing those 17, 18 examples, today we are going to start with second question. So I will read question for you. Make words from the letters given below with the help of the pictures. Now here some pictures are given, some more pictures are there, but I cannot draw on board, so I have not drawn it. I have drawn 4-5 pictures. With the help of pictures, what we are going to make? We are going to make words from the letters which are given in the diagram. Correct? This you can call hexagon, or you can say it is a geometrical figure. In geometrical figure we have drawn, or we have written what? We have drawn geometrical figure, and in that geometrical figure we have written what? We have written some letters. Which letters are there? Here T, N, A, L, P, M, I, E, R. These are some letters which we have written in the picture. Now we are going to take help of some other pictures, and then we are going to, now first picture which you can see over here is of what? Can you guess? It is something round upside, and then some pointed thing is drawn downside. What it is? Can you tell? It is a nail. Now can we find out letters which forms nail word? Yes, N is there, right? Yes, N is there. So N, A, yes, A is there. I is there, yes, I is there. And L, nail. What do you call for nail in Marathi? We call for nail khila in Marathi, right? And we have made what? We have made, with the help of picture and with the help of letters in the picture, we have made what? We have made a word. And this word has some meaning. Correct? You know it very well. Nails are used in constructions. Nails are used for many things. Correct? So the word has some meaning. Now next example which we can make from the picture is, for example, now what is this? What you can call it? You can call it bucket. Correct? Yes or no? Can we call it bucket? Yes, we can call it bucket. Okay, so we have what letters of bucket? There are no letters of bucket. Then that picture is of what? Can you see here? This picture is of what? Third picture which is given over here is of lamp. So letters which are there in the picture, it forms our what? Lamp. Let us see. L, A, M, P. Yes, L, A, M, P, lamp. Correct. Now here some pictures are there more. Now this is what? This is a tie. So can we make ties from the letters which are given in the picture? Yes. T, I, E. Yes, we can form a word from the letters. With the help of picture, we have got what? We have got word T, I, E, tie. Next one is, there is a fruit. Correct? What is name of that fruit? Green color fruit it is. It is pears. So P, E, A, R. Pear. P-E, it is P, correct? P-E-A. More examples which you can make from the pictures. Now there are some pictures more. Let us now leave off these pictures which I have drawn. Now bucket is not there. There is no bucket there is no B letter in the picture. Let me draw another picture over here. Now for example, if it is a picture, look, I have drawn something. Now this is picture. It looks little bit like what? It looks little bit like a map of India, correct? It looks like a map of India. So map word you can make a what? Can you make map word from the letters given over here? Yes, M-A-P, map. Right? In this way, some pictures I have drawn for you, and we are going to make some other words now. Leave off pictures. Now without pictures, can we make some words or what? Let us see. Okay, every time drawing picture is not possible on board, so there are some letters in front of you, and with the help of these letters, what we are going to do? We are going to make some new words. Now if I want to make, I will make at least, we will make 6 to 7 words. Okay, now for example, T, T-E-A, yes, T-E-A, tea. What do you mean by tea? Tea means chaha in Marathi, correct or not? We drink it in morning, right? Next word which you can make is T-E-N, ten. Yes, T-E-N, ten. 10 is what? It is a number. Next word which we can make from the words or letters which are given in the picture are, for example, now R-A-T, rat. R-A-T, rat. It makes some meaning. Yes, it makes some meaning. It is an animal. More any word you can make. E-A-T, eat. Yes or no? We eat food. E-A-T, eat. It is a meaningful word which we have made. More. A-N, an. It is an article. In English, it is an article, an. More. P-L-A-N-T, plant. Yes, very good. P-L-A-N-T, plant. Come on, make some more words which we can make. Can you tell any other word? M-A-T, mat. Yes, M-A-T, mat. Next, P-E-T, pet. P-E-T, pet. Pet means what? Mat means what? There is a mat to sit at your house, correct or not? You call it what? You call it chatai. Then P-E-T, pet. There are pet animals at your house. You have pet dog, you have cat at home, which is the pet animal in your house. Next word which we can make is T-A-P, tap. T-A-P, tap. T-A-P, tap. What is meaning of tap? Tap means null, correct? Next, no, you cannot make L-A also, anything. Come on, let us make some more words. M-A-T, mat. R-A-T, rat. R-A-N, ran. Yes, R-A-N, ran. Ran means what? To run, correct or not? Padne. Pan, 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 pan. Pan is over? No. Pan, pan. Pan is used for what? To make omelets and all, correct? Pan, pan. Next, which word we can make from the letters given in the picture? MET, met. MET, met. RIT, no. MIP, no. MET, met. NET, net. ANT, ant. Ant. In this way, at least how many letters we have made? We have made this 13 letters. Total 13 letters are made over here. 13, here is 14, 15, 16, 17 and 18. Correct? Total 18 words we have made. Correct? How many words we have made? We have made 18 letters. Correct? It is P's. S is not there, but then P. 18 words we have made from how many letters? How many letters are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. From 9 letters we made how many words? We made 18 words. How many words were made only from 9 letters? We have made 18 words. If you will think more, you will able to make more. There are many words hidden in these letters. If you will make use of your brain, you will get more words. TAN, tan, correct? More. You will able to make more words, but then it will take some time, correct or not? You will have to think, and then with the help of letters you will have to make words. So 18 words are enough, I think. So from 9 letters we made how many words? We made 18 words. And in this way, if there is a question in exam, or if any question comes in exam that from the given letters try to make words, or from the given letters make 2 or 3 words. Okay, so with the help of those letters, I think you will able to make words, correct? Yesterday also we studied about words, group of letters which are put together, they forms what? They form words. So in this way we have completed our lesson words, correct? What we have completed? We have completed our lesson words. It is a pair, okay, pair. In this way, how words are formed, you should learn it, okay? You can ask letters, you can tell your mother or father, please give me some letters. Take any 5 examples, tell them to give 5 examples of letters, and with those 5 examples of letters, you make words. Okay, if they will give you like this one picture or a diagram, from that you try to make more words, and what will happen? Your thinking power will increase, and you'll able to make new words from the letters. You'll able to make your own words, and it will help you in English. Okay, it will help you in English. So in this way we have studied words lesson, and you have to complete question number 2. There is a question number 2. I will send you picture of question number 2. You have to write down that question number 2 with its answers in the notebook. Okay, thank you.